Hello everyone, this is Arzu. Welcome you all again in the session. So in this session, we are going to talk about Pygame. Yeah, like I told you initially that we have two libraries that we are going to learn in this module. So in this module, we have learned, we have done with the introduction of pandas, and we have seen the data structure that's used in pandas. Now we are coming to the library that is Pygame. Now, what is Pygame? Pygame is again, it's an open source library. You can easily see Pygame anywhere in the gaming sector. So, if you are a fan of making games and you wish to make 2D, 3D games, you can definitely make games with the help of Pygame. And Pygame is actually built on top of SDL library. SDL is like the full form of SDL is Simple Direct Media Layer. So Simple Direct Media Layer also it provide the low level access of audio, keyboard, mouse, joystick, graphics hardware, why OpenGL and Direct 3D. So don't go in that much deep. I'll just let you know why Pygame is famous, because it's very flexible and versatile. That's why it's famous everywhere. Now let's start with the Pygame library. I will tell you in this session how to build the window of Pygame. Whenever you learn a Pygame library, you will definitely have to make the window, and it's very easy to use. I will let you know how. So I'm just sharing my screen with all of you, and will let you know what we can do next. I'm sharing. So my screen, I think it's visible. When you type REPL.it, you will find this link. As I told you from the beginning, you can come over here and you can go to create REPL. Once you go to create REPL, you will find the libraries here, and here you will find the library Pygame. You will click on Pygame, and I can write name first project, and I will click on create REPL. So this way you can create your REPL, and here is your Pygame REPL. Like what we will do next. Actually, this is the command that's already given to make the window, but we will be writing down the command to explain you so well. The very first command that we will give is import Pygame, because of course you need to import your library as Pygame. Then I will set the background color for the Pygame window. Okay, press enter. Then you will write background color and is equals to. So the color, you can take any color of your choice. I will let you know how to take color. If you will write HTML colors and you press enter, here you will find HTML color codes. Okay, so you have lots of color, and for every color you have the code, like see RGB code. Suppose if I want my Pygame window of this color, so I will just copy this code. I will come over here and I will paste this code color. Okay, so this way, like this will be the color of the background I will get. Now I will write the command screen, because like how much wide you want your Pygame display to show. So I will write pygame.display.set mode, and this I will write as 300 and 300, like I'm giving height and width for the display. So you can write it like this. Now you will write Pygame dot display. I want to set the caption for Pygame.display. Okay, set, and here I will write set caption, because I want to set the caption for Pygame, and here I will write this caption as go global ways. Okay, this will be the caption of my pie game. Like caption will come as a title. Now I will write screen dot fill background color. Okay, background color, I made one variable and now I'm calling this that background color will be my color of the screen. Now the next step is pie game dot display dot flip. So why we take this command? Command is for updating the display every time. Like I set some things, now I want to update my display. That's why it's coming like that. Now I will write running equals to true. Because of course I want this thing, this condition has to be true. And I will put the while loop while running. Means when while running, then I will put for loop. So this is actually the game loop, okay? And now for loop for event in pygame dot event dot get. I will take if conditional statement. I will let you explain. Event dot type is equals to pygame dot quit and running equals to false. So this is done. Now let me explain you what is happening in line number 7. Running true means whatever the condition I am giving, it is true here. Now while running, when it is running for the event is means something is going to happen. When you're doing something, then something is going to happen. So when event in pygame.event.get, actually this pygame .event.get is indicating that something is going to happen, then only we'll do something. Okay, so in line number 10 I am indicating like what thing is going to happen, what event is going to happen. So in line number 10 I'm saying if event.type is equal to pygame.quit, means you have a window and if user click on this cross, means if user wants to close this window, then this is going to happen. Then what is going to happen? Inside the if, I'm giving a condition because if is a conditional statement. So in line number 11, I'm saying that running false. Whatever the running is, it will false, means your window will close and everything, whatever I set up, it will close. Okay, now I will run and check the command like what is happening here. The next one. Run it and see, this is my window and the title of the window is given as Go Global Ways. Here, let me full screen this. I think, yeah. Close this and let's run it again and see. It comes like this. Okay, so this is the title and this is the screen color. And now if I click on this cross, then everything will stop. Okay, so I'll just close this and I'll come out the command. So that's what about the pygame window. Now on this window, we will be making some very amazing and exciting games in the next part. Till then, wait for the next video. Bye-bye.